So welcome everyone, welcome to the market analysis video for tomorrow. So quickly discuss about the results. So I have discussed in Nifty that below 19,725 you can go for selling. I have initiated only one trade, that is in Nifty, and make a good profit after the breakdown, and around 640 635 in this range I have booked my profit. Now discuss about tomorrow's market, and before that one thing I want to mention that last day US market has rallied just because of the the result of Meta probably, and the probability are there, and it has been increased the interest rate by 25 basis point. So hopefully there are some correction that can happen. If you see that in our metal sector, it has shown some profit booking and make little bit of negative candles in the daily time frame. So it has possibilities in the Nasdaq US market tomorrow, or after tomorrow Friday, or in the Saturday, it can happen Thursday and Friday it can happen. We see some consolidation or little bit of profit booking from the top in the US market, so that can impact our market, IT sector especially as well. So for Nifty, our analysis will be the 600 zone is now very important area. Okay, so we are going to execute further selling. If you planning further selling, we are going to execute that after this breakdown of this 19,600 only. And if you see that the important level around is coming around 19,759. This is the breakdown range. So 19,759, 19,800, 863, all these zones are resistance zone. Okay, so our analysis will be only above 19,850 above. We are only going to buy. Otherwise, we are not going to not that interested for going long from here. Okay, so only above 868 above we are going to long. Our stop loss will be max to max 850 will be our stop loss, and you can plan for this target around 19,982. If it is, if a market perform well only above this, we will plan for long. Otherwise we are not going to plan long from in this range. One thing can happen, market can came in this range after showing little bit of profit booking, come in this range and make a good support somewhere here 600 to 580 in this range. If it is make good support, we can plan for long. If you see that this the range is coming around 560, so I'm making it little bit bigger, so this is the range. Okay, see, multiple time market has retraced this level, so that's why 600 to 560, this is the zone you have to watch very carefully. Whenever you find the market is taking support from in this range, you can plan for here, for long side from the bottom. From the bottom with a stop loss of 10 to 15 rupees stop loss, you will get a very good target of 19,700 to 750 in this range. Okay, and similarly one thing can happen, market will move towards its top and can reject from this range. Okay, so that's why this range is very critical. There are multiple support resistance, so you have to watch very carefully here. Now move towards the bank nifty. And in bank nifty, if you see that this was our discussions. Our discussion was only I have not initiated any trade, that from the long with the stop loss of 46,300 in this range. See, the all the levels are marked here. We can plan for selling from the top, and it has happened exactly. So it has also helped us. I didn't take any trade because in the morning I have busy at somewhere. So for tomorrow our analysis will be very simple. Let me mark the range 45,600. This zone is now acting as a very good support area. Similarly, all-time high, this is the resistance zone. And for tomorrow our analysis will be market has gone 45,679. So 45,800, this is a zone where you have to watch very carefully. 45,800 in this range. After the breakout of this swing low, you can plan for a long in bank nifty, and your target will be 46,000. Okay, 200 point movement you will get very easily after this range. And before for after 46,000, I am not going to initiate any trend. I would see the market what is happening. Like, it can happen ki it again reach this level, can take rejection, or it can break that level. Okay, only one trade after the breakdown of 45,800. We are going to execute for 200 coin, and if for intraday basis it is enough. 200 coin in bank nifty is more than enough. Okay, but if it is break 45,575, then we can plan for selling, and 45,334 to 300 in this range market can take support. This is a very important area, you should watch very carefully here. If it is 45,351 break, then this is a long target around 45,000, 4,800, this level, not only intraday basis I'm talking about. If it is break this range, you will see that in 15 minutes time frame, M kind of pattern will be activated. Okay, so that's why I'm discussing. And if you also see that in 1 hour time frame, see this is very important level, 45,575 below, the level is coming around 45,351. So very good target after the breakdown we can get. Okay, so this is simple analysis in bank nifty. And in nifty finance also, all the levels are same. See, I have discussed like bank nifty from the top, it can, you can see very good profit booking. It has happened exactly what we have discussed. So for tomorrow our analysis will be this support zone 20,461. I'm not deleting the level because all levels are same. 20,461 above, 20,461 to 500 above, you can plan for going long in fin nifty, number one scenario. Otherwise, but try to buy from here, don't sell below 20,371, because 20,236 is a very important area. One thing you can do after the breakout of this range, or another thing, if market came in the bottom making good support, you can plan for long from here as well. Okay, so this is two scenario where we are only going to initiate our trade. Market had closed around 381 somewhere here, and if you're planning for future selling, only below this range you are going to plan for selling. Otherwise market will not, after the breakdown of 327, 330 to 20,251, almost 50-80 points, points you hardly can get. So if you are, hey, if you are planning for this, you have to be very fast, because scalping you have to do only. So you can plan that. Otherwise, 20,250 below this, we will get a very good target around 20,137 to 20,000 in this range. Okay, similarly like bank nifty, here also m kind of pattern is activated. So that's why I am saying this is the retail zone. So only have a breakout of this range 20,460 to 500, only go for long. Otherwise plan for selling from here as well. Okay, so this is simple analysis for nifty finance, and let's quickly move towards the stocks. So the first stocks I'm going to discuss, that is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank has consolidating in this range, and similarly like bank nifty M kind of pattern it is forming. So below 1669 we can plan for selling in HDFC Bank, and we are going to get very good target around 1654. And if you confirm that in 1 hour time frame, see it is exactly what we are expecting. Below 1669 we will get very good target around 1664. Okay, and like HDFC Bank, there are also let me draw that level first. One thing is from here, otherwise you can buy from here as well. And in ICICI Bank also, like HDFC Bank, it is retesting the levels previous resistance zone, and it has taken multiple times support. So one thing you can do, if you're planning, if you find a bank nifty is positive, one thing you can do, you can buy from this range. Okay, your stop loss will be very less, and you can plan for long trade. Your stop loss should be very straight you have to very straight with your stop loss, and you will get a very good target around 996 to 999, 1000. In this range you will get a very good target over there. But if it is break this 988 level, you will get very good target also for, if it is given breakdown 979 towards 973 in this range. And for better for confirmation, if you move towards 1 hour time frame, see it is happening exactly what we have mentioned. So after the breakdown of this range, you also can plan for selling in ICICI Bank. Okay, so this is simple analysis for ICICI Bank. Now move towards the general still. So this is 1 hour time frame. If I move toward the 15 minutes time frame, this triangular pattern it is forming in general still. So here we are going to execute our trade for selling after this 657 below. Okay, our stop loss will be 659. Today's closing will be our stop loss. Only 2 rupees is our stop loss, and the first target we are getting around 652, and the second target hopefully we also get around this range of 646. Okay, so this is simple analysis for Jindal Steel. and if it is also breakout of this range, you also can plan for a higher side as well. Now moving towards the next stocks, the next stocks is uh, Reliance. I have not discussed that. So Reliance, if you see that in 15 minutes time frame, it is making inverted, sorry, not inverted, head and shoulder kind of patterns here. Okay, so 2447, 2474, it is a very important level. In 1 hour time frame, if you see 2474, it is a very important level. So market has closed in 2515, but if it is come in this range, I'm say, sharing this in advance. If it is come 2474 below, we will get very good target around. First target will be of course 2428, and the second target will be around 2400. In this range you will get a very good target. Okay, simple analysis in Reliance, just only find a support, resistance, and price action, then you are good to go. Okay, so after Jindal Steel, Reliance, the next stocks is CDSL. In CDSL, if you see, I'm removing the this line and moving towards the 15 minutes time frame. So in 15 minutes time frame, it has taking rejection multiple times from 1234 range, and the support it has make is 1220. So CDSL below this 1220 range, you can plan for selling. Here the first target you can expect around 1200 range. Okay, and the second target you can expect around 1184. This is simple analysis for CDSL. After the breakdown, we are going to initiate our trade, and this is our target. And similarly, if it is break this high, you also can plan for buying in CDSL, and your possible target will be this range around 1270 will be your target. Okay, let me mark that level first. And if you also see that in the daily time frame, you will find, see, it is exactly coming in this range. Okay, so very good probability are there in CDSL. Both side you can get very good move. 1234 above or 1220 below, you will get a very good target. And the next stocks which I'm going to discuss is Tata Consumer. So Tata Consumer, if I see that in daily time frame, sorry, in 1 hour time frame, so this level it has tested multiple times. Okay, so one, there are two scenarios. One is if it is given a breakdown. Okay, so the next target you can expect around this range 834. Okay, and if it is not given breakdown, if it is make very good support here in 15 minutes time frame, so you can plan for buying from here, and then 860, 865, you will get a very good target. Okay, so Tata Consumer is, you can add that also on your watch list. Okay, so there are two possibilities. If it is take support, it will from the bottom you will buy, your stop loss will be very less, or max to max 3 4 5 rupees will be your stop loss, and you can expect more than 1:2 1:3 in the Tata Consumer. Okay, so that's all for this video guys, and you can watch, analyze all the stocks by yourself, and you will all get a very good result for sure, especially CDSL, Reliance. Okay, in these sectors, Jindal Steel, and banking as well. So you can watch that, analyze yourself, and of course I will share the result tomorrow. And best of luck guys, and have a good day. Bye, good day.